Hello everyone. So today I'm shooting this video for a purpose. The purpose is quite serious, and after I think a month's time we went out for Annie's vaccination. It was important and that is why we went. So when we were on the way to the clinic, we saw small children in groups, in different groups, also ladies. It was just close to the Town Square building. Town Square is a shopping complex close to our house. So it was just close to that building. On the street there were, there was a man, there were a few women in different groups, and they were begging, asking for either food or money. The first thought that came into my mind was, looking at them, was firstly, why should they be on the streets when there are strict orders that nobody can be on the streets? Second question was, is there nobody to come to their doorsteps to provide them with the essentials? So, of course, these two questions are extremely important to understand as to why they have to take the steps to come out of the house. Had I been in their position, probably I would have done the same thing, because I wouldn't want my daughters to starve day after day. So, if there is no agency, no authority as promised, if there is no one to help them out, why did the government announce it? Why did the government announce that humongous a budget for these downtrodden, these, below poverty line people? We also have to understand that, one family taking care of the other 9 families is a difficult job, because not every middle class family can actually afford to take care of the 9 other families on a regular basis. And if we are supposed to do that, then what is the government supposed to do? Because government has already taken money from people, from celebrities, from a lot of people. There are so many other NGOs who are asking for the same kind of money so that they can help the poor. I really don't understand, where are those money going? Because this is just the people who are just away from our home, which is located in a very, what do I say, well-to-do society. So I just fail to understand one thing, that if these things are not taken care of here, what could be the scenario, the ground reality there in those areas where probably nobody visits? I really don't understand, why are the government agencies not helping them properly? They get help only once a month. I'm sorry, once a week. They just get help only once a week, and that too, that kind of a help is not called a help at all. Because if you just get 2 puris or a bowl of khichdi per person, and that too, once in 6 or 7 days time, would you consider that to be a help? Then why would you follow the government's policies? Why would you follow the lockdown if nobody is there to listen to you? You also have to understand their reality of life. Dying of hunger or dying of coronavirus, both would be equally painful for them. If you die of coronavirus, at least you have people, you have experts around you who would at least try to save you. before you die. But people dying of hunger, nobody cares. Nobody even, would come to them to ask, where is the problem? If you have a stomach issue, if you have kidney failure, what is happening? Obviously, if you do not eat properly, you will have these issues. And this has been happening to a lot of people. And Mr. Modi, makes these statements to only rich and well-to-do families, well-to-do people. He only addresses to those people. He has never addressed to the poor people. And probably that is why they have asked the middle-class families to take care of the poor people. This is really disappointing. How many of us can do it on a regular basis? We can't. There are thousands and thousands of people around us. Not everyone could be so kind enough to help 9 families every day. We can do this once in a while. We can't give them food twice a day. That to 9 families. One family, one poor family, has at least 4 to 5 children, plus husband and wife, and others in the family. How are we supposed to take care of so many? These questions are really serious and we need to raise them. I really hope that, the videos that I'm going to show you after this would reach out to the authorities, the agencies, from where they can get some help. This is really, really important because we don't really know when the lockdown would end. The cases are increasing even because, even when there is a lockdown situation, cases are increasing. And if you want to understand why, here is the problem. Because we are not well prepared with our essentials. Nobody is well prepared. Nobody. Government has not prepared all of us for this scenario, to face this scenario. So I just hope that, those who have a heart, those who feel the pain of the poor, of the needy, of the hungry people around all of us would definitely go ahead and share. Thank you. आप ये बताइए कि आप लोग यहाँ कहाँ से आए हैं?
राजस्थान से आ रहे हैं।
राजस्थान से आए हैं और कितना आप लोगों को हर रोज मदद मिल जाता है?
5 किलो बैठे आटा चावल चाहिए हमने, और क्या नहीं चाहिए।
अच्छा, तो ये
1 किलो दाल है और एक इसमें 1 नमक है।
अच्छा, एक मिनट मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रही हूँ। वो आप ये बताइए कि सरकार की तरफ से कोई मदद आपको मिली है अभी तक यहाँ पे?
खिचड़ी मिलती चावलों की, कोई पूरी वगैरह मिलती है। क्या करें, इनसे क्या हुआ? किसके 5 परिवार है, किसके 6 परिवार है,
उससे कुछ नहीं हो पाता।
क्या होता है?
तो ये आप लोगों के पास हर रोज मदद के लिए आते हैं या
नहीं? 5 दिन से 6 दिन से।
6 दिन में एक बार?
6 दिन में 5 दिन में आते हैं। झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं?
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू। आप ये बताइए कि आप यहाँ हर रोज आती हैं क्या?
हाँ, हर रोज आते दीदी। राशन इतना मिलता नहीं है, कोई देता है कोई नहीं देता यार। इतने से आटे में 2 पूड़ी देते हैं।
आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
हम यहीं से रामपुरा।
अच्छा, और वहाँ आप कोई क्या काम करते थे पहले?
लहसुन बेचते थे। अब लॉकडाउन हो गया, लहसुन नहीं बेच रहे कुछ भी।
कोई हाँ मिल नहीं रहा है तो आगे बेच भी नहीं पा रहे हैं।
कुछ न कुछ पेट तो भरना पड़ रहा है।
आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? 5 बच्चे हैं। और आप जैसे और भी कितने हैं आपके साथ जो?
वैसे फैमिली वो ये है।
अच्छा, तो आप लोगों को हर रोज यहाँ पे आना पड़ता है, किसी के इंतजार में बैठना पड़ता है कि कोई दे?
कोई देता है कोई नहीं देता दीदी, क्या करे। कोई कभी तो खाली चले जाते हैं,
मतलब बिना खाए रहते हैं उस दिन?
खाए ऐसे रह जाते हैं।
तो कोई सरकारी लोग नहीं आए यहाँ पे आपकी मदद के लिए?
नहीं आ रहे, बस खाली पका खाना दे रहे हैं। 2 पूड़ी देते हैं बच्चों के लिए भी नहीं देते, बड़े को बुलाते हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है। तो कोशिश करती हूँ कि आपका ये जो संदेश है कि आप लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ झेलनी पड़ी है इस टाइम पे। ये आगे तक पहुंचे जहां पहुंचना चाहिए, ताकि आप लोगों के मदद के लिए कोई आए।
ये करना पड़ो।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं जानती हूँ कि जो अभी हमने मदद की वो काफ़ी नहीं है आप लोगों के लिए, लेकिन हम लोगों के भी हाथ में इतना नहीं है कि हम सबको दे सके, है ना। तो कोई बात नहीं, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि ये आपकी बात वहाँ तक पहुँचे, और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि अगली बार जब आपसे मुलाकात हो तो आप इससे बेहतर स्थिति में मिले। ओके, थैंक यू।